matter where I go, I will never be lost. Because I have you.
Are you still in this fight, Violet?
You are my North Star. You are my guiding light.
I love you. You have a good heart.
And wherever you lead me, that's my home.
You're so beautiful. My sweet feels sitting here. In this moment, do what you gotta do and then come back to me. I want for nothing. Marry me again.
And the most extraordinary thing of all is just how normal it feels.
Where I've always wanted to be. Home with my wife. I'll always be with you. I promise to hold your hand when the firelight grows dim.
You pretty much brought me to life.
And that my love is so you're doing this, you can live your life. So live it. Promise me you won't change.